In the previous video, we have seen about the curtain walls and some types of the wall, that is brick metal stud. Now, if you will be continue working on your project and if you have not saved your project recently, it will be displayed this dialog box, that is you have not saved your project recently. So what you want to do? Always save the project. And how to control the settings of this dialog box? So you can go to the file and you can click on options, and in the general tab here there is a option of save reminder interval. Always set to 15 minutes. Every 15 minutes it will be gives you the reminder. Notice that if you want to change your graphics color of the Revit, you can also change from here as well. So go to the background, and if you want to use black color, you can use the black color background as well. But I want to use the white color background, so I want to go to the graphics and change the background to the white. So there are so many things available in this Revit option dialog box, so you can feel free to explore the different sets of options like file location, rendering option, and after graphics. In the graphics there are different colors that you can set it out. Then after view cube options are this display showing 3D view, and opacity, positioning of the view cube. This is our view cube, so positioning of the view cube and everything is displayed at here as well. Now we will go to the floor plan level 1, double clicking on that, and we want to use, or we want to create interior wall. So what I want to do, I want to go to the wall architectural, and we will use interior 6 1/8 inch partition 2 hours, and we will use location line finish face exterior, and we will draw the wall from level 1 to level 2, and clicking first point somewhere about here, and clicking the next point somewhere about here, double escape. So one wall we have added at here. Now we will create 5 more walls vertically. So select this wall, right click, create similar. Alternatively, you can use the shortcut CS. If you want to speed up your model working speed, you can select the wall, type CES. This is first point, second point. Notice that my wall is still continuing just because of this chain option. So what I will do, I will press the escape twice, select this wall, right click, create similar. Before clicking any point, make sure chain option should be turned off. First point, second point, and I want to create 5 segments of the wall. So as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 vertical walls has been created. Now, what is the great thing in the Revit? If you want to create, or if you want to equalize all the items, so dimension plays very most important role in this aspect. So I will be type DI. This is my first point of the dimensioning, and make sure dimensioning should be core of center. So this is your core of center. This is your also core of center, and continue clicking all the way up to here. And now you click somewhere about outside here, so that dimensioning will be exiting. And now if you will be click on this toggle dimensional equality, so all the walls are now set to the equal distance, as you can see. If you want to see the value, you can select this dimensioning and equality display set to the value. So as you can see, it will be displayed the values. Now if you will be select the dimensioning and delete, it will be gives you the one warning message. A dimension that has been applied equality constraint is going to be deleted. So what you want to do, whether you want to make constraint of the wall and delete the dimensioning, for that you have to click on OK. Or if you want to unconstrain, click on unconstrain. So I want to use unconstrain. So in future, if I want to change, I can change it as well. Now, what is the next thing? I want to go to the level 2 plan. Now notice that in the level 2 plan, the walls of the first floor levels are also displayed. So from the properties, I will be go downward and find underlay to the none. Now as you can see, the walls of the first floor plan is not displayed. Now I want to use wall command. Similarly, that I have done in the previous video, to level 2 to level 3, and arc wall first point somewhere about here, second point here, and use the arc distance with radius 40 feet, enter. Now let us we want to create 2 more horizontal walls. So for that, select this wall, right click, create similar, and let us we will use the offset 4 feet and finish face exterior, and draw the first point somewhere about here. Notice that our offset has been set to 4 feet, so it is creating the wall at an offset at a distance of 4 feet. Similarly, first point here. Now you can select this wall and drag up to here so that it will be cleans the corner very well. Here the corners are also set to very well. So this is how you will be added interior walls in your project.